Hi, yeah, the audio is still messed up in some places, so deal with it. Hello, I'm back. Uh, it's been like 2 days since I last did this. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna learn. Okay. So, that was like a 3-minute video. I need to be in here actually. It was not that confusing. I just need to put float vertical input. That's exactly what I wanted. And then we're put what am I doing? This is yes, it's recording. All right, just had to make sure. It was I supposed to no vertical doesn't be capitalized. Vertical. What the hell did oh I pressed the wrong button. Whoopsies. Input dot this and do these guys. Whoopsies. Again for like the 40. But this would be a lot easier if I knew how to spell. I don't need to put input vertical. And we also need to, here's the star, 8 star vertical input. Full input. All right, and save it. Make sure it's saved by spamming the button about 30 times. All right. Then we will press play and hopefully I messed something up. Okay, that was not the thing I was hoping for. What's wrong? All right, I know what's wrong. That is on my right there. I feel like I'm never gonna remember to put those down. All right, and input doesn't. Did I? Breaker. Okay, is it right now? At least I don't have to keep looking at the thing. I can just tell. All right, now when we play this, nothing should happen, hopefully. Yeah! Now I can control when we go forward and backwards, side to side, and Jesus, I am going to. Where's Cool Tank? Alright, I am going to turn the turn speed. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff now. Turn speed, let's take that up to 10, and speed up to 15, and then go ahead and play it. Okay, that turn speed's kind of fast, but the regular speed's fine. Whatcha, whatcha. Oh, we knocking over the tank. And then we go back. Where's the barriers? What? How are you still standing? Fall off the edge. Ah! Alright. We'll go ahead and turn this turn speed to like 7. That should be good. I'm not going to test it. I'm just going to say that that's good. On to the next lesson. It did not pause. I saw you. I saw you this time. Alrighty. I am back-a-rooney. And we're gonna pretend like I didn't forget that I was doing this for about half an hour. Alright, we need to put form. Really wish it would auto-complete that for me. especially since I spell it wrong. Dot rotate need to be capitalized. Pretty sure it does. Dot and this thingy. Nope. This thingy. For vector 3, no space, 3 dot up, comma, space. Then we take, I think we take the times time delta turn speed horizontal input. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I could check, see if we do need that. If we do need that times, but you know, why would I do that when I could just guess and check? Oopsies. All right. Why would I do that when I can just guess and check? All right, let's go here. Save, let's see. Ah, but I don't. Oh, that's process of elimination or something. I don't know. There we go. It works. Now, what that was doing, I don't even know if I explained what the last thing did, and I don't remember what it did. But now, if you look down here at the game view, just something. Oh, I remember what the last thing did. I can move backward and forwards. Something crazy is gonna happen. The car turns. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go off the edge. No. Wonder if it picked that up on the mic. No. Yeah. Okay, I definitely need to like go ahead, press this. Go ahead and look at how long. Down. Second. I'm gonna leave this in the recording. At the have 7 minutes. Video. Literally just a note. 7 minutes, 20 seconds written in. All right. All right, let's make sure this is working. Right. Hold forwards. We can turn. Still feel like it needs to turn more. I feel like this is good for like a tank, I guess, but like I want it to turn more. Let's try 30. That's 5. 30. Let's go ahead and try 30. Is my mic unmuted? Yes, it is. 30. Oh yeah, I kind of like that. All right, let's go ahead and raise the player speed to 20. That might make me want to change the turn speed. Whoopsies. Like, I don't know. Cha. Whoa, almost fell off there. All right, so just turn around. Sadly, the camera doesn't turn with it, so I can't really see where I'm going. That doesn't matter. Oh, I remember why I had the speed at what I did. Oh, there I go. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Now when I like play, don't these barriers just like not fall? Yeah, they just get run over. They don't go over me. What the hell? That's fine though. It's fine if they don't like if they just get run over. That's okay. What happens if I actually no, that doesn't. All right. Oh, next lesson. Alrighty, okay. So I had to take a break to like do stuff like I had to. So like, yeah. Um, I didn't learn a single thing. I haven't looked at any of the other tutorials or anything. I just had an idea, something that I want to do because I think it'd be funny. I guess I'll add it at the end here. I think it would be funny, so I kind of want to do it. It's barrier 11. Yes, let's go ahead and I can just press Control D actually. D, drag that thing over. Let's take the scale tool. Oh, what the hell? Is that not the scale tool? Nope, it is this. All right. Can I just like actually just like up the scale? Scale, I can. I just go 5 to 5, 5. Oh, that's the thickness. I really don't care about the thickness of this. The thickness isn't really. All right, so 15. Whoa. All right, 15. So let's try. Is that tooting? How that's kind of funny. 25. Okay, yep, that's good. And we'll go ahead and go 25 for this. 25. All right, and if you're wondering what I'm doing, well, you're gonna have to wait. Like I could explain what I'm gonna do, but what's the fun in that? If I were to explain, it wouldn't be fun, right? And where are we gonna go? How are we gonna be able to tell what angle is that? All right, that looks good to me. Well, actually, we can go ahead and rotate. Okay, that because it wasn't snapping. Okay, well, that's not nice, is it? That's just like, oh, why? Come on. No, I think that is flat. I don't think that's crooked. If it is, it doesn't matter. Okay, then hit X, and of course, down. Hit. That's not gonna work whatsoever. Just gonna fly down at increasingly faster speeds every single time. X, all right. Then we go here. I think you can probably guess what I'm doing. Okay. Then we're gonna go move tool. Hold control, I do this. Although it doesn't seem to help at all really. Okay, so well, that's that. Now we're going to use gravity, turn off. And well, I guess this, select it. Turn this boy back up. Turn this thing back on. And oh, okay, so it still has physics. Is it like messed up a bit? Go. Oh Jesus. Ah. Okay, so that that didn't work how I exactly wanted it to work. Let's go ahead and try that again. I wonder if it's colliding with that guy, if that's why. I don't know. I have gravity turned off for it, and the mass, let's just go ahead and put like a bunch of mass. Collision. Oh, collision. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Or I do know what collision means. Can I just turn that off? Constraints, freeze position. Oh yeah, just freeze it where it is. Yeah, just freeze all of it. Boom. Doesn't matter the mass. It's frozen. Oh yeah, I forgot to this bigger. All right, let's go. Yeah. Coming up to it. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Oh, well that let's go ahead and save myself some time and just drag this thing over here. All right, sorry, someone came in my room. Um, and I'm not gonna cut that out of the video because I'm lazy. All right, yep. Let's go here. Play. Oh my god! All right, let's try that again. To the moon. All right, so it doesn't really work because of the absolutely janky physics that I have on this car. And I can almost guarantee that it is because of. Let's go ahead and bring this back down and take this. Full barrier, delete. All right. And I can almost like confirm that it is because of that right there. Whoopsies. That little triangle right here. I can almost say like for sure that it's that's causing it to flip like that. I think. I mean, I guess I can't really say for sure since like I honestly have no idea what I'm doing here, but like I feel like that's what it's got to be. Okay, I think I'm just a tad bit zoomed out. Also, this is like okay. This is pretty useless at the moment. Most of the stuff we're doing is in the code. All right, well, that just added an extra like 8 minutes. Me just messing around. All right, well, learn time. Alrighty. Okay, so this time it's just mainly some cleaning up and labeling. So I'm gonna go slash slash and this car. I know it's not a car, but I'm just gonna call it a car because it's easier. All right, we change all of these to uh private, private, uh private. I wonder if I can select. No, maybe you might be able to, but I don't know. Private. That's how you spell private. Private and I the a private. And we also need to assign this boy a numberino. What is ours? Is it 25? We're gonna have to check. Fuel tank. What are your numbers? Turn speed is 30. Alrighty. 30. And yeah, we'll probably have to change this, but I don't want to just yet. I just kind of want to see what it's like. Oh, really? All right. I think that's about it. If it isn't, yeah, whatever. I will make sure that it didn't break the code because I often do that. It didn't. Press play. We'll see if I do need to adjust the car speed. Yes, I indeed do need to adjust the car speed. All right, what was it? Was it 20? I think it was 20. I guess we'll be finding out. Spam save again because man. Oh, I forgot that it was still going. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Do that. Whoa, okay, yeah, that's definitely good. 30 and 20, that's good. I like that. All right. I would like to be able to turn a little bit sharper actually, but I don't really want to change it too much because I feel like it might end up getting too turny. All right, let's go ahead and try. That works for how fast it's moving. That works. Okay, there we go to Jesus. And then down to hell. He said no. All right, well, uh, did I accidentally break these? No. Okay, just had to make sure. Well, all right, yep. Time to learn a Rooney again. Okay, so I just realized I did forget to do one thing from the last like little lesson thingy. I forgot to right click, create an empty object, name it. I mean, I can name it whatever I want. Uh, objects. I'm like 30% sure that's how you spell objects. Select all my objects, drag it in there. Bam, now I can got a little collapsible thing because of whoopsies. Because they're all like a big and a lot of them. All right, so also that was the final lesson of this tank that we have here. So I'm pretty sure it is. So that this is the final time we will see this tank. And there's also another thing that I didn't actually do. Change this right here, local to global, which let me select the tank so you can see up here when it's on global right here, this blue arrow, no matter which way I turn, is gonna face right there. If I change it to local, it will face wherever the tank is facing. I think that the tank is gonna go no matter where. Yeah, it's still gonna go forward no matter what the X value is, but you can just do that for like making sure your tank or your car object, whatever it is, is in the correct position. And let's go ahead and turn the turning up again. Just because if this is going to be the last time we're messing with it, then might as well fit it to what we want it to be, right? I'm going to leave this thing, but I would rather leave it being satisfied completely with it. Yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, that's better turning speed. All right. All right. Should I go ahead and try and make another ramp? Should I? No, I'm not going to do that, but I will go ahead and do something whoopsies, that I have been wanting to do since we added the obstacles. What's this? Control D. I really hope that they're not going to be like, all right, keep doing it on this project because I'm messing this project up. Barriers right there. D. I don't think pressing D is going to work. Control D. Yep. Barriers right there. Control D. Barriers right there. Control D. Barriers right there. Okay, I can't move my mouse like a tiny bit. I have high sensitivity. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and whoops, that's pause. Let's go ahead and play. And now we can just barricade through tons of barriers. Let's go. If this was just like a random game I found on the internet, this would suck. But considering that I made it myself, it's actually pretty fun just running through, like breaking down these barriers. All right, well, sayonara, Mr. Tank. Time to move on. Good day. Alrighty. So, um, I have just looked over what the next thing that I have to do is, and I was going to include it here, but it's so much that I think I'm gonna make all of that into one video on its own. So this is gonna be the end of this video. Um, yeah. Next time we're doing something with planes, which this thing desperately wishes it was. All right, see ya.